Hi everyone, we're going to find the constant k for the quadratic equation with the double root. We have 1/3 x squared plus k plus 1x plus 8 equals 0. And real quick, a double root just means when you have something like, say, x minus 3 squared equals 0. So basically this would be x minus 3 times x minus 3. Alright, but you only have one solution, and that's x equals 3. So that's what a double root means. All right, so now all we're going to do here is complete the square. And to do that, I want my a to equal 1 when you're looking at standard form. So I'm going to take 1/3 times x squared plus k plus 1 times x plus 8 equals 0. And I'm going to multiply each term by 3. So that will eliminate this 1/3. So we're going to get x squared plus 3 times x plus 1 and then times x plus 24 equals 0. This gives me a equals 1 and b equals 3 times x plus 1 and c equals 24. Now that my a is 1, I'm going to use this formula. And we're going to get 24 equals b is 3 times x plus 1, and then we divide this by 2 and then square it. This is going to give me 9 times x plus 1 squared here, divided by 4. All right, equals 24. Now I can divide both of these terms by 3, like that, and it's going to make it simpler because then that's going to give me 3 times k plus 1 squared divided by 4, because this will be 3 and this will be 8, equals 8. Now when you cross multiply, you're going to get k plus 1 squared equals 32. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 3 here. So you had a 3 here and you divide by 3 as well. So that just gives you 1. Therefore, we have k plus 1 squared equals 32 divided by 3. Now to solve for k, we're going to square root both sides. Don't forget to put the plus and minus. So this is going to give me k plus 1 equals plus or minus square root of 32 divided by square root of 3. All right. What I can do is rationalize this denominator and multiply this by square root of 3 and square root of 3. So we get k plus 1 equals plus or minus. The denominator is going to be 3. Now my numerator, this right here, is square root of 16 times 2. So I can write this as 4 square root of 2. Then I have square root of 3. That's going to give me 4 square root of 6. So I'm just going to write 4 square root of 6 here. And then we have to subtract the 1. So my k is going to equal -1 plus or minus 4 square root of 6 divided by 3. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.